Are you surprised to find predators lounging in trees? You should be. Some of these animals will make you look up twice. Sloths, slow-motion masters that barely leave branches. Their fur hosts whole ecosystems. Flying squirrels don't actually fly. They glide like tiny plush paragliders between trunks. Jaguars? Yep, big cats that climb to drag prey into branches and avoid scavengers. Pangolins can be arboreal too. Armored and stealthy, they scale trees for ants and safety. Black bears are surprisingly at home in limbs. Young ones sleep in branches, and adults use trees to escape danger. Tree hyraxes, small, unexpected relatives of elephants, live in rock crevices in trees, sounding like a barking surprise at night. Next time you stare up at foliage, remember, the canopy is a wild, vertical city full of oddball neighbors.